President Washington 100 watt. Talkback and Echo, activation and adjusting. The talkback function allows you to hear your own modulation in the internal or external speaker connected to the external speaker jack on the rear of the unit. To activate talkback, short press the talkback key. When the function is active, the LED is red. Repeat the process to deactivate talkback.
Radio check, radio check.
The talkback level function allows to adjust the volume level of the talkback. With the talkback function active, press and hold the press to talk switch. Then turn the channel rotary knob to increase, clockwise or decrease, counterclockwise, the volume level of the talkback.
Radio check, radio check.
When you are satisfied with the level, release the press to talk switch. Echo activation and adjustments. Long press the talkback key to activate or deactivate the echo function.
Radio check, radio check.
The echo level and delay are adjustable in the menu. To make these adjustments, long press the channel rotary knob to enter the menu and rotate to the echo level function. Press to enter the menu. The current value blinks on the display. Rotate the knob clockwise to increase and counterclockwise to decrease the echo level. Short press the rotary knob to confirm your changes and exit the function. Rotate the rotary knob to the echo delay function to adjust the delay. Press to enter the function and rotate the knob to increase or decrease the value. Short press to confirm your changes and exit the function. Press the Press to Talk button to exit the menu, and the unit will automatically exit the menu.
Radio check, radio check.
You're all set. Please be sure to check out our other instructional videos, and don't forget to like and subscribe to receive notifications when our new content is added.